resources.
Coming from cellphone number ending 4786, safe po ba mag-invest sa money market fund?
Okay. Ang sabi nga ho natin, the higher the risk, the higher the yield. Basta isipin lang po natin, do you trust your investment banker?
Right.
Yung pagtitiwala po, napakahalaga nun. And then, iaralin po natin kung ang risk appetite ninyo ay kaya, yung bang potential risk na haharapin ninyo. Ang itataya po natin, lagi po nating sinasabi, ang itataya po natin is something that we can afford to lose.
Right.
Ngayon, kung yun talagang pang-tuition ng mga bata next month, wag na po nating ilagay sa money market.
Last text message that we will accommodate, coming from cellphone number 6970. Hindi po ba pabor sa atin demonetization para magdagdag sa monetary circulation, yung mga pera na nasunog or ginawang koleksyon? From Ed Gonzalez.
Demonetization. Dalawang klase ang demonetization natin. Kapag ang pera, tulad nito, kunyari, di nasira siya.
Yes.
Itong mga current in circulation. Dinedemonetize natin ito pag pinapalitan natin, di ba sabi natin, ire-redeem natin. So, yung perang nasunog o nasira, dinedemonetize natin yan while we are replacing it with a new currency. Now, yung isang klase ng demonetization is the whole series. Just for example, ito, while we are introducing this new design, later, after 3 years, i-demonetize ito lahat. If you phase out yan lahat, ibig sabihin ng demonetize, we are removing the monetary value of this design. So, watch out for this demonetization.
Pero matagal pa yan.
Mga 3 years to go. So, kasi pag lumampas yung 3 years na yon at demonetize na yung pera, hindi na magagamit.
Ang
ito na
kinamulat ko yung 5 peso bill, 2 peso bill.
Ang bagong lipunan, demonetize na yon. Filipino series, demonetize na yon. So, tinatanggal natin sa circulation at pinapalitan natin ng bagong pera.
Okay.
So, demonetized, wala nang value after all.
Ma'am Fe, we're on to our last few minutes. How stable is the BSP? Is it an income-earning entity of the government?
Oo.
Sabi mo kasi separate sila sa...
Independent.
Independent sila sa Congress, yung humingi ng budget.
Okay. Yung sukatan ng... Normally, ang sukatan ng mga private companies would be the profit. Ano yung bottom line?
Yes.
Okay. Ang Bangko Sentral, iba ang pagtingin namin. Ang tinitingnan namin, yung ability namin na gawin yung aming mandatos to ensure stable prices, to stabilize the banking system, ensure na ang payment system, ang bayaran ng mga bangko are reliable. Correct. Ngayon, but having said that, kumikita rin ang Bangko Sentral.
Saan, ma'am?
Number one, maraming pinagkikitaan ang Bangko Sentral. But at the end of the day, ang siguro ang masishare ko, para lang mabilis, in 2009, we made as a profit, at ito ay audited na ng COA, we made several billions in profit, and 75% of that, we are supposed to declare as dividend. Yung ibang government agencies, 50%. Ang Bangko Sentral, 75%. And 75% was equivalent to 9 billion. 4.9 plus 4.9
is 9.8.
9.8 billion yung turnover ng Bangko Sentral as dividend from the 2009 operations. Okay. Ngayon, nagkaroon ng assessment pa ang COA. In addition to that, between 03 and 06, sabi niya, parang kulang. Kasi ino-audit Kasi patuloy ang pag-audit. Nagbayad pa kami ng additional 9 billion. So last week, ang Bangko Sentral nag-turnover kay Presidente Aquino, kasabay din ng ibang GOCC, ng dividends namin.
Yung pala yung balita, no?
So 9, at saka may additional. Ang total naming binayaran, kasi yung 9 billion na dapat for 2009, kalahati nun na ibigay na namin last year, noong July. So, 4.9 billion na lang, at saka yung additional na 9, so mga 14 billion.
So nakakatulong pa sa coffers of the government ng
in fact,
BSP as an entity.
Correct. In fact, alam mo, ang kapital ng Bangko Sentral,
wala kayong pabaon wala kayong pabaon dun sa mga
siguro kaya po malaking dividend ang na-declare namin. Dun sa charter that created the Bangko Sentral, ang capitalization namin dapat 50 billion. 10 billion pa lang ang nabibigay. So, meron pang capitalization na kulang. Pero having said that, we have been able to nurture the assets of the bank. It's definitely over 100 billion and marami nga tayong assets. But more than that, kaya isa sa mga basehan kung bakit nag-improve ang ating credit rating ay yung tinatawag nating strong external position. Record high GIR, katulong na rin ang ating mga OFWs at mga investors na nagtitiwala sa ating bansa. Kasama na rin doon yung export earnings natin.
And of course, the prudent and regular monetary policy that
the management.
is the management.
I will
of our
just tell you
monetary.
very quickly. Ang Bangko Sentral, there are 5 values that guide us in the BSP. Patriotism, integrity, excellence, dynamism, and solidarity. So, these are the guiding values
which I
that
think
we have
has
at the BSP.
been clearly manifested all these years. Of course, kasama ko yung mga magulang ko na nagtrabaho.
Of course,
for
it
the
is a
past 40
culture.
years.
It's a culture.
that,
It's a culture. And makikita po natin yung bagong logo ng Bangko Sentral sa ating pera. Ito na yung bago nating logo, which we launched in the middle of June last year, in 2010. And now, it is now part of our new currency, katabi po ng seal ng Republic of the Philippines. Dahil ang sabi po ng ating pera, ang salaping ito ay bayarin ng Republika ng Pilipinas.
We have reached the portion of our program where we request something special from our guests. Kaya po napansin nyo, without nakikita sa camera, kinuha ko yung bag nyo. This is your bag. We do the wallet trade. Ano po itong wallet trade? We will, kasi napag-alaman namin,
kung ano
yung wallet lang po, para to continuously teach and learn managing personal finances. Pag minsan daw, it helps seeing other people's wallet, kung gaano kaayos ang kanilang mga wallet. Titingnan namin kung lahat ng pera nyo bago, dahil taga-Bangko Sentral kayo. Kay Ma'am Grace muna. Ma'am Grace, ano ang, kasi lalo na, babae po kayo, hindi na namin bubulat-dating masyado. Pag lalaki ho kasi talagang tinitingnan namin yung mga sikreto. Ano ang pinaka-importante para sa inyo, except the ID, sa inyong wallet?
Sa wallet, ang importante sa akin, syempre, pera. And the ID at saka yung cards.
Anything personal in the wallet, like a pictures,
Oh,
tapita?
yeah, no, nothing. Not necessary.
Pwede lang natin pakita, hindi ko bibilangan yung pera. Kung gaano ka-stack yung pera nyo. So, per currency, ano?
Per currency, it's actually per currency.
Fred? Puro ganito yung laman. Yeah. So, kaya maayos na maayos. Tama yung sinabi ni Ma'am Fe, pag malaki yung pera, hindi mo ginagalaw. Pag barya, nandun lang, pino-fold mo lang. How long have you been using this wallet?
Bago lang to.
Bago lang.
At saka hindi siya expensive na wallet.
Hindi siya expensive. Pero usually, gano'ng katagal po tumatagal sa inyo ang wallet?
Matagal.
Taon din?
Taon din.
Hanggang magulanit-gulanit
hanggang sa magulanit-gulanit siya.
Yung wallet. Ano?
Pero ito bago lang na wallet. Pero hindi siya gano'ng ka-expensive.
Can you go out of your house without your wallet?
I cannot.
You cannot.
Kailangan meron.
Ma'am Fe, how about your wallet?
Ito yung
parang
aking...
mga alalak.
Ito yung
parang
aking...
talaga silang pera, ang haba ng wallet nila.
Ito yung aking wallet. And normally, ang nilalagay ko, kailangan worthy sa aking wallet. Kailangan malinis na pera. Kaya kung titingnan mo, mga bagong pera itong nandito. Yung crispy.
Susundan ko yan. Yung the only money that I will put is new or at least clean money.
You have to deserve it. At saka sa Bangko Sentral, tinuturo kasi na kapag ka madusi na at ayaw mong hawakan, isurrender mo sa Bangko Sentral para ma-retire from circulation ang maduduming pera. Maganda po yung hawak niyo yung and iisipin mo, parang ayaw kong bawasan. Kasi very crispy and parang yon. So,
that's one learning of more than a season of doing wallet trades. Gamitin yung pera, yung worthy na nasa wallet nyo. Siguro mapapabawasan ang ating impulsive buying kapag ganyan. Nililigpit na ni Ma'am Grace ang pera bago namin pag-agawan dito. Because time has run out for our program today. Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas ay isang sangay ng pamahalaan that is definitely is our ally in our desire to manage our personal finances well and the economy as a whole of our beloved country, the Philippines. Simply, BSP is here for a panalalaping matatag para sa bansang panatag. I saw that in your website. Last quick message for our audience, Ma'am Grace.
Alagaan ng ating pera dahil sabi nga natin, pananalaping matatag ay simbolo ng ating matatag din na ekonomiya.
Thank you.
Ang Bangko Sentral po ay narito para magsilbi nung si Governor Titanco po ay tinanggap ang offer ni President Pinoy, ang sabi po niya, handa po akong magsilbi katabi ninyo para sa ating bansa. So, kami po ay nandito para sa mga kababayan natin. May problema po kayo sa inyong bangko, tumawag po kayo sa amin o mag-email. Nandito po kami. We are ready to help you anytime.
Thank you very much, madams, for raising our program today. For more financial literacy, visit www.colaycofoundation.com and get your free ebook copy. And for more questions and opinion, continue texting 0917-853-7333 and we shall answer them the best we can even after this program. This has been your host, Arman Benko of the Colayco Foundation. See you again, same place, same time, here in GNN at the Business Portal. This is your Piso Believe.